Guys, today we'll talk about how can you delete accounts on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here on profile down here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You just click here on delete my account. So then here automatically it's going to delete video on your app. So that's all you have to do to delete your account. That's all. I wish know you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.